Oh, mumu not too much. Alright, go. Man!
I want to flex my love, I want to impress, and I want to carry my love.